What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dash cams in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and at the same time get a product of solid quality, we say check out Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, also known as the best budget dash cam on the market in 2023. If you want the smallest and most discreet camera on the market, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is for you. Barely the size of a key fob, this model offers features like a touchscreen in favor of being so small that it hides neatly behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its compact size, the Dash Cam Mini 2 records in full HD resolution at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. This puts it slightly behind other larger members of the Garmin Dash Cam family, which record at 1440p through wider 180-degree lenses. 1080p is still good enough for dash cam, especially one that's so compact and competitively priced. Sticking with the design for now, the Dash Cam Mini 2 is extremely compact. The front contains nothing more than a lens and a ball joint that connects to a short arm. In terms of storage, Garmin doesn't include a memory card in the box, so you'll need to provide your own. It must be at least 8 GB, and the camera supports cards up to 512 GB. There are only 2 buttons on the Dash Cam Mini 2. On the one side turns the audio recording on and off, while the button on the back saves the most recent part of the recording. The video quality is very good considering its price and size. It shoots 1080p Full HD and HDR and shoots at 30 FPS through a 140-degree lens. Details like road signs and vehicle license plates are clear, and images remain sharp in changing lighting and weather conditions. Audio recording is possible and can be turned on and off using a button on the back of the dash cam. Garmin's smartphone app is called Drive. It's free to download for iOS and Android and is used to configure the camera. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product on our review list is the Nexar Pro, also known as the best value dash cam available on the market in 2023. The real advantage of the Nexar Pro system is that you get free cloud storage for your growing collection of driving videos, GPS data recording to help with insurance claims, plus some great tools right in the camera and app combo. You'll need to upgrade to the latest Nexar 1 model to take advantage of 4K video, but the 1080p Full HD present here is just fine. You can also upgrade to a larger micro SD card if needed, although the Drive comes with 32 GB to start with. The cameras are mounted on the windscreen using the front camera holder, which has a GPS data unit as part of the kit. Meanwhile, the smaller indoor unit is attached with a self-adhesive sticker. Also included is a large 9-foot cable, a USB plug for the charger, and installation hardware to hide the wiring if needed. The Nexar app is required for the dual camera setup to work. It's also where you can adjust settings, including the amount of space allocated for video storage on your phone. The app also has some handy tools, including the ability to generate reports for your insurer in the event of an accident. This includes speed, location, impact force, and of course video for it all. When it comes to results, we found 1080p video content to be very impressive, both during the day and at night. Audio can also be enabled if required. The outdoor camera also does well in less than ideal shooting situations, such as heavy rain and bright sun. A big plus of the Nexar range is the cloud space that you get as part of the contract. You can manage content here using a web browser from home for ease of use. This is very useful as you can double check if there is an unforeseen event that happens after the trip. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we present to you the Vantrue N2 Pro, also known as the best mid-range dash cam on the market in 2023. You are not the only one who thinks that the Vantrue N2 Pro is an unusual-looking dash cam. An angular body with buttons, lenses, and design details seemingly scattered across every surface probably won't win many awards for aesthetics alone. Although not attractive, the Vantrue is quite compact, considering that it has a pair of cameras, plus a TFT screen and 6 buttons used to navigate the operating system. Aimed primarily at taxi and rideshare drivers, this camera shoots forwards from the windshield, but also backwards into the interior, keeping an eye on traffic as well as fare-paying passengers. The front camera records up to a resolution of 2560 by 1440p at 30 frames per second or 1920 by 1080p at 60 FPS through a 170-degree lens. We say up to because maximum resolution and frame rate are only possible when the rear camera is disabled. Switch the camera to record in both directions at once, both limited to 1080p and 30 FPS. The rear lens has a 140-degree field of view. The interior camera is assisted by infrared night vision to get a clear view of the driver and passengers at night in grayscale. The secondary camera can be rotated 45 degrees up or down to ensure a good view. A suction cup is included in the package, which is good news for those who don't want a sticky pad stuck to their windshield forever. The mount has its own USB port, so that the surveillance camera can be powered via this connection or directly from its own USB socket. A short USB cable is included in the box, as well as a long cable connected to a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter with an integrated USB port. A micro SD card is not included, so you'll need to provide your own. There's no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so the camera is completely self-contained, and almost importantly, there's no process to create an account or submit personal information to Vantrue. Just insert a micro SD card, plug in the camera, adjust a few settings via the screen, and you're done. Users are pleasantly surprised by the quality of Vantrue's videos. Setting both cameras to full HD produces sharp, clear, and smooth images, with key details such as license plates and street signs easily read. Good stuff. The next product we'll talk about on our list for today is the Vantrue N4, which won a silver medal and the title of RunnerUp Best Dash Cam available on the market in 2023. This model has a 1440p camera for optional vehicle recording and two 1080p cameras for viewing inside the cabin and behind the car. The N4 has a built-in advanced chip and a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, which is sufficient to provide simultaneous recording with resolutions up to 1440p and 1080p in all three directions. The front camera supports up to 2592 by 1520p, and dual recording supports up to 1440 plus 1080p. With the help of VDR technology, a crystal clear field of vision is enabled, and there's also a parking mode. Here, the three cameras automatically record when the front or rear camera detects motion. If the memory card is full, the N4 automatically overwrites old videos and supports a max of 256 gigabytes. However, the SD card speed must be U3 or higher. This generally applies to most memory cards. Routing the cables for the rear view camera was surprisingly very quick. The cable goes over the side airbag in the trim and is long enough and easy to hide anyway. The position of the front dash cam can also be quickly determined, and the camera is bomb-proof with a hardware kit. Everything you need is included in the package. To be able to edit all three camera shots, you need to download Vantrue Player. The Vantrue N4 camera is easy to install and intuitive to use. However, if the camera is placed as close as possible to the interior mirror, the operation becomes a tad trickier since the buttons are no longer visible. All three cameras provide good video quality during the day and usable quality at night. All parts and accessories are of good quality. And finally, everything is professionally packaged, and the supplied manual leaves no questions unanswered. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. And now, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall dash cam available on the market in 2023. Meet the Nextbase 622GW. If you're looking for a product that is easy to operate, with a simple interface and very little fuss, then we guarantee that the Nextbase 622GW is the answer to your needs. This camera has a number of great features, including a large 3-inch touchscreen, the ability to record up to 4K footage at 30 FPS, and an easy-to-mount design. The Nextbase 622GW has a quick release lock, meaning you can easily remove it from your car when not in use if you're worried about it being stolen. It also has a suction cup holder as an alternative installation option. Like the other cameras on this list, this camera has a setup tool that also makes the setup easy. The Nextbase 622GW has the ability to record motion videos and a large button to protect important recordings from being overwritten. A quick tap on the touchscreen also takes a photo in no time. You can then use this touchscreen to scroll through your captured images and play them back without having to move them to another device. This model is an updated version of the company's best dash cam, packed with many great features, including smooth image stabilization, improved night vision, super slow mode, extreme weather recording, and other capabilities. It's also worth noting that Nextbase also has a system that helps you easily send footage to your local police force, which is pretty cool. The 3-inch rear touchscreen is sharp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of what 3 words pairs well with Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, which you get a free 1-year subscription with this camera. And finally, the Nextbase 622GW offers vastly improved video quality and incredible stabilization, along with the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation services to locate wrecked vehicles within a 3-meter radius. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best dash cams in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.